Hey everybody, today we're going to be looking at the VideoMicro from Rode microphones. I've been looking for a microphone to go with my videos so I could put on my tripod, or when I'm out and about with my new gimbal, that I will be able to use a mic with it. So I've been looking at a bunch of different options. I think for me, this one's going to be the best one. They do have another one that's similar to this, but plugs right into your phone, but it's made more for iPhones, and we can talk about that more later. I can put some other links in the description down below. But yeah, so let's get to it. Let's open this thing up and see what's actually inside this box, okay? Okay guys, here you go. Here's the box. Let's get to it. We got the VideoMicro, Rode microphone, VideoMicro compact on-camera microphone. And it comes with the right, I don't know if you can see that right there, but that is the, I think you pronounce Rycote or Rycote on board. I think they're talking about this, the shock mount here. Now it's got a hot shoe, so you can put it right on top of your hot shoe camera, or if you have other accessory, you can put it down on the side of a camera. It also is supposed to come with this windbreaker. Some people call it a dead rabbit or dead bunny, but yes, a wind protector. And it tells us that we have in the box, compact on-camera microphone, 2-year warranty, no battery required, compact size, suspension mount included, furry windshield for optimum performance. You can pause the camera if you want and read that. I'm not going to read through all that, but you guys can read right through it if you want. And if you want here, you can, if you guys have a QR code, once you scan that guy, you can go right to the website. It says it comes with a 2-year warranty, no battery required, compact size, and then we got the suspension mount included. All right, so let's go ahead and open this guy up. And see what's in here. All right, so right off the bat, here's the mic. They go ahead and put the, I'll take this guy off. It slides right on out. So there's your mic, and when you're outside, you can use this, or you can leave it on all the time. Doesn't matter. Some people don't like it because it distracts. They're inside and they want to be, I guess, they want to keep a low profile, but you can see there on the mic, made in Australia. We'll pop that guy right back in, just pops in just like that. Comes with the shock mount. So this guy, it looks like it just snaps right on and we can try it. Boom, just like that. So when you move and jiggle, it won't vibrate into the mic, so you get a nice clear sound. That'd be good. Comes with a patch cable. Now, if you're gonna be using this with a smartphone like me, you need a different patch cable, which I can put that patch cable in the comments below. Actually, I'll get the patch cable to show you guys. Okay, so if you're gonna be putting this mic with a smartphone, you're going to need a jack, a patch cable or an adapter, TRS to TRRS patch cable. This is SC7. You're gonna need this so you can plug this guy into this, and it goes into your, it'll go into your phone. I think you plug this straight into your mic, and then that goes into your smartphone. And since I will be using an Android, I will need this. Now, if you have some of the newer phones that they don't have Bluetooth, I mean, they don't have a wired connection, you're gonna have to find an adapter for those, so you can use your USB port for that. We got the little absorb stuff, so it keeps the moisture out of the packaging, and we got this quick start guide, and it just tells you basically how to quick start and use it. Tells you how you can hook it to your camera. I'm sure you can find this online. So yeah, and this is what it shows here. I'll scroll around so you guys can, if you want to read this, you can pause the video at any time. Shows you how you can connect everything. And like I said, this is made for a hot shoe. So if you're not using a camera with a hot shoe, you'll have to figure something else out. So it shows you how to connect to your camera, how to boom. So yeah, pretty straightforward, but so once I have time to play with this thing, guys, I'll do a review of recording with and without it. You know, with using onboard mic versus this versus another mic that I have too that I haven't done an unboxing on. But yeah, after I get that going, I'll show you. So I'm gonna, if you haven't seen one of my other videos with the gimbal, which you can probably see right up here, I'm gonna have the gimbal, and the gimbal stands on an arm, and this is gonna stand next to it, and I'll just point it in the direction that I'm shooting. So it should be pretty good. So yeah, I'll do a full review on this soon. Okay guys, there you have it. We've got the VideoMicro, and this is what it looks like. This is about how big it is compared to my hand. You guys can see that. So yeah, I can't wait to get this thing in the field, start using it, so I can give you guys an idea of what it sounds like, and I'll post some comparison videos with the same footage, but from different audio sources. You can hear it from my actual phone that I'm using. Right now I'm using a Note 4, Galaxy Note 4 to do my recording, and we'll compare that video, or that mic, to this mic. So yeah. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you like what you're seeing. Throw me a message, throw me a comment. I love to hear from you guys and see what you think. And if there's anything you'd like to see reviewed or unboxed, send me a message. I'd love to do it for you. All right, thanks guys. See you later.